Okay, welcome all of you and a very good morning to the class for attending the class. And this is the new chapter, too much water and too little water. So I'll take a new chapter, too much water and too little water, and we will start this chapter. And through this name of the chapter, I hope you come to know what is too much water and what is too little water. Because too much water, somewhere in the places you see people are wasting water, they are using too much water, and actually they are wasting the water. And somewhere you will see in a big cities, in a big town, the people are not getting even traces of water, they are just deprived of drinking water, they do not get the little bit of drinking water, fresh drinking water. So it is a very pathetic for us that few of the person in our country, they are not getting even the potable water and drinkable water in their colonies and in their area. So we will take the class and we will start the class. So for what is that? Nalamanda, Andhra Pradesh. Sugna was reading her book when she heard someone at the door. She saw that there was a visitor from the city. Appa welcomed the guest. He told Selva to bring a cold drink for him, and the guest said, "No, I do not take cold drinks. I will just have a glass of water." Appa said, "These days we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. It does not even look clean. If it would be better, you do not drink this water. We do not have a choice to. So we drink it." So what is the first scenario? The scenario of the Andhra Pradesh. Shugna was studying, she was reading when some guest came to their home, and that time his Appa offered him to have a glass of cold drink. Why he has offered the glass of cold drink? Because in their area the water was not clean those days, and the water was coming dirty from the pipeline which is connected to the municipality, and this water is not fit for them. But they did not have any other choice except drinking that water. That's why her father offered the guest a glass of cold drink. Is it cold drink is good for your health? Is it cold drink is good for your health, dear? No, why not? Yes. Why not? Shrijita, yes, Shrijita has given. No, ma'am, it's okay, but why not? Okay, why not? I am asking why not. So why not means why it is not good for your health? Because first of all, it is a junk liquid which we are taking, lots of carbon dioxide compressed over here, and lots of acid is here, which is not at all, it is nowhere it is digesting our food, it is actually digesting our muscles, and this is not at all good for our health. Okay, so don't take the cold drinks, it is not good for you. That's why the guest just ignored and just disagreed for this offer. He just politely said he will not take the cold drink. But if the water is not good, then what we have to offer them? Okay, next, how can unclean and dirty water harm our body? Because it harm our body because it make us disease. What kind of diseases that you know? Diarrhea, and then diarrhea, cholera, these all, even the jaundice, these all kind of diseases come to us if we'll take the dirty or unclean water, isn't it? Now, next we will take the second scenario or the second part of the chapter. There are few questions. So, have you ever got a dirty and unclean water in your area? Is it? Have you seen any day that water it was very, yes, there were harmful chemicals and all that. So, do you know, have you seen any time in your area the water become very dirty? Have you seen it? Anybody, the water become dirty in your area? Okay, if not, then check it and then you will write. Now, when the guest came to the Sugna's house, they offered him a cold drink because they thought he should not drink such water. What do you think Sugna family must be doing for their own drinking water? How they can make the water clean? What is the way to cleaning water? How we can drink the water? If the water is dirty, how we can Because it is, yes, it is a junk food. Yes, very good. Tanvi has written, if we will boil the water, then it will become good for us, because boiling is the best way to clean the water. Now the guest said that he did not take cold drinks. Why do you think he said this? We already discussed. You have given the answer. It is a junk food, or you can say it is a junk liquid, and it is not good for our health. Now next one is, next scenario of the chapter is given here. Bazar Gaon, Maharashtra. There was a big water park near Bazar Gaon. One day Rohan and Reena went with their parents to the water park. There were many water fountains. Reena said, look Rohan, there are so many rides in the water, and look at these big ponds. Rohan said, splash, splash, and turned around. They saw a long thick water hose going zoom zoom, and water was filling the whole pond. Now children were sliding down a big slide and landing in the water with a loud splash. Rohan got into the swing high above the whoosh. With the second he had landed in the water, Reena have a shriek of surprise. Just they heard a lot of noise and loud voices from the outside the park. Everyone ran towards the main gate. There was a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pots. A small child carrying an empty bottle was clinging to her mother. Rohan's mother went to one of the women in the crowd. What is the matter? She asked. Then the woman replied angrily, you asked what is the matter? Our wells have no water. We get out water only when the tanker comes once in a week. Today, even that has not come. And here there is so much water everywhere. Just for you all to play, enjoy. Tell me, what should we do? So here is a scenario, as I told you. In big cities, few people are not getting the drops of water to drink, and few people enjoy the water in the water park. So it is a injustice, because at least we have few basic needs. What are our basic needs? Basic needs are water is our basic need, food is our basic need, education is our basic need. So our government has to be keep eye on all these things. At least a person should get the drinkable or the potable water and food to eat. So these all are our basic needs. But even then we see few yes, it is very very bad, and we have to also think about it, isn't it? So now what happened? They both, brother and sister, they were enjoying the game, they were enjoying the rides. Anybody of you have gone to Antarctica, have gone to this water Arctica? No, this is in our Kolkata. There is one park, Aquatica Park. Have you gone there, that place? Anybody has visited that Aquatica? There are lots of water rides, there are lots of things which people used to play, and but yes, okay, no, it doesn't matter. So there are long slides, people comes and they just drop and they just landed on the water pool. And if you are landing in a full of water pool, then the water splashes out. So in this way, lots of water is being wasted. And big with hose pipe. Hose pipe means, have you seen the big pipes having lots of voluminous strength? From these pipes, with the help of the machines, they are drawing the water from the underground water. They are drawing the water from our ground, and they are filling these tanks and this pool just for the enjoyment. So I think it is an injustice for the people who are not having the water for their drink, just to have the potable water, and lots of people are paying little much, and maybe much of the rupees, and they are having this type of enjoyment. So if you want to enjoy the water games, you go to sea, you go somewhere in the sea beach and somewhere in the near to the water body, but lots of fresh water wasting like this is not at all good for the society. Okay, so the people are not getting the water, so they are Yes, river tail in the exam. Yes. So I have given it. No, so many times I have given it. Tanushri, why you are asking every day? It is given. It is written on the board. I have given no chapter. I mean, river's tail and the valley of flowers. These two chapters will come. Yes. Okay. Now. They have visited okay, and the people who are the people who came in front of that park, they were demanding for their filling the buckets and bottles whatever they have brought, because they don't have the drinking water. Even a tank come to their community, it come to their area, but that week the tank also not came, so they were deprived of the water. So have you ever played in water? So you said no. Now next, are these time you are not allowed to play in the water? Which season you are not allowed to play in the water? It must be, yes, anybody? In which season you are not allowed to play in the water? Anybody? It is a very common type of question. In winter season. Yes, Tanushri has written, and this Srijita, Shoham, they all have, Shauroja, they all have written, because that time we think that maybe we are children like you will become diseased. That's why it is not allowed. Now the water park had a lot of water to play in, but nearby village people do not get any water even to drink. Think about and discuss. If you go to a water park, find out from where the water comes to the park. So generally the water comes through to the park from the groundwater, because they used a pump machine to draw the water from the ground. Now the third scenario is here. Cafe Parade, Mumbai. The lift stopped at the 26th floor. Deepak loves going in the lift. Today was a holiday in the school. Deepak had gone with his mother to the Razia madam's house, and his mother worked there. The house was quiet and cool, the shining clean. Razia was reading a newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak is in a holiday today. She asked. She switched on the TV, and Deepak was soon lost in the worlds of cartoon. Razia called out, Pushpa, it says in the newspaper that the gutter water has mixed with the water in the drinking water pipe in this area. If it is says that many people are sick, so with diarrhea and vomiting because of this, why don't you throw away the water that was filled yesterday? Put some fresh water to boil for drinking. Also take some boiled water for your family. Deepak was happy to hear this, because he thought, at least today I will not have to stand in a queue for hours to get the water. So it is the third scenario. In Mumbai, we know 25, 26 floors are very common. So they go there and they just, Razia was the madam where Deepak's mother was working. She was a helper, or the domestic helper she was. So she was doing the work there, and the same time Razia put on the TV, and Deepak was become busy to see the cartoon in the TV. But what happened? Razia gone through the paper, and she came to know the water become the gutter water. Do you know what is gutter? Gutter means, what do you mean by gutter? What is gutter? Yes, Shauroja is writing. What is gutter? Write fast. Yes, gutter doesn't mean garbage, dear. Gutter means drain. Okay, so the drain water mixes with the, we know, through the land, the water treatment plant where the water is being kept and they are being cleaned up in our area, and through the municipality pipes they come to our house as a in a tap. So if these pipe has been cracked, somehow they are being cracked, maybe there were some repair work, maybe somebody has done some mischief, so the gutter water mixes with the water, and it made the drinking water also contaminated and very dirty. So the garbage, don't say the garbage, the I mean dirty water which are having the sewage water, chemicals, excreta, all these mixes with the water. So it will make the person who will drink that water, that person will become ill. That's why Razia madam suggested, or the Razia madam suggested to Pushpa, boil some water, keep some water for their drinking, and take some of the bottles for their own use. And become happy because he will not have to stand in a queue for filling the water in his own area. And why she was worried for the previous day? Why she was worried for the previous day? Anybody can? Yes, rainwater and spoiled water is correct answer. Shorangshu and this Samya has given. Okay, can you tell me? Upasna also written rainwater. Okay, can you tell me why she was worried about the about yesterday? Because yesterday they did, because there was no water for drinking. No, Srijita, Razia was drinking water, but yesterday she actually, when she was reading the paper, that time she told just throw the previous day water. So previous day water was contaminated, that was not in her knowledge. So maybe she has drank that water and maybe she will become diseased. That's why she become worried. Understood? Now the next, why was Razia worried about when she read the paper? Because she thought maybe we have taken that contaminated water and now maybe this water will make us disease. Okay, that's why. Now Razia asks that all the water that was filled the previous day should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kind of things? Where you can use this kind of water? Yes, Shoroja has given a very correct answer. Razia was worried when she saw the newspaper has given this, and now everybody is giving the long answer. Tell me just one and two word that in which area we can use this dirty water. Instead of throwing, this contaminated water can be used in this area. Which area? For cleaning the house. Yes, for cleaning the house. Anything else? For watering plants, very good. Shoroja, very good answer you have given. Because for watering plant, because you know the soil has the tendency to filter the water. So there will be no dirty things will go inside the soil. So giving in the watering plant is a very good suggestion, and we can clean our for bathing. Maybe during the bath you will have the rashes and all that. If some contaminated chemicals are there, so it is not suggestible. So you can clean the house, you can clean your car, you can give this to the garage, and you can give this water to the plant. Okay, these all are the, yes, cleaning houses is a good suggestion. Washing plants, or you can say giving watering the plant. Okay, so these all are the, yes, washing utensils. Then afterward you have to clean these utensils in a clean water also. Okay, so these are the things. Now suppose Razia had not read the news, and even everyone had drunk the water before without boiling. What could have happened? What kind of diseases could happen if you'll not clean the water properly? Which kind of diseases could occur? Which kind? Yes, diarrhea. Yes, Shauroja is correct. Yes, rashes will be there, diarrhea and cholera, and any other? Cholera, diarrhea, even jaundice. Okay, yes, we maybe we have diarrhea. Yes, so Srijita, Shauroja, and this Shubhango, they all, dengue is not from contaminated water. Shubhango, how the dengue is coming from the stagnant water, and these all are the flowing water, dear. So these are coming to our home and we are using it. If the water is being collected somewhere, that water is spreading the dengue, but this water is not. Okay, now stagnant water, only stagnant water will just spread the dengue and this chikungunya and malaria. But these are the flowing water, and flowing water never, in the flowing water mosquito eggs never breed because they will flow out, no? Okay, now the next one, go through the newspaper and collect the newses. And have you ever suffered from diarrhea or vomiting? Maybe from, not from diarrhea, but loose motions we have, no? Sometimes we have the, yes, very good. Samya also given, Rito Manoj, Samya, Shubhango. Now these all are the good answer, but Shubhango, again diphtheria is not due to the dirty water, it is due to one kind of virus is there, and sometimes it comes through the, if some cat's hair come to our mouth, it comes to us. So okay, it is not, yes. Do you have the loose motion? Yes. Now tell me, what is the remedy of this loose motion and diarrhea? What kind of things we have to take? Because we lost a lot of water, lots of water from our body. That time we are losing a lots of water and mineral from our body. What is the remedy? What can we do for replenishing this water, to complete the water in our body, just to replenish the amount of water which we have lost in the diarrhea? What is the remedy? What can we do? Yes, Shupratik, you are right. Dirty water also spread the mosquito and other insects. You are right. But they should be stagnant. They should be stay somewhere. They should be collected somewhere. But I am talking here the water which is flowing in the pipe. So in that case, it will not breathe inside the pipe. Okay. If the water is being collected somewhere and it become dirty, that time they will spread the disease. There is a difference, no? Stagnant water and flowing water. We used to clean water. What we used to clean water? Yes, very good. Shoroja has given, we can drink the water, but in a glass of water, 1 liter of water, 1 spoon of sugar, a pinch of salt will be mixed, and that water will be good for the consumption in the case of loose motion or the diarrhea, because it will just replenish, it will give the amount of the water whatever we will lose during the loose motion. Okay, so Soroja has given the correct answer, and Shupratik, you understand, it's good. Now Srijita, we should avoid the things, do not eat stale water, actually it should be, and if the water is dirty, we should have to boil it. Yes, right. But I have asked you about the remedy. So the remedy is either, if you have lost a lot of water, you have to go to the hospital and take the saline water. And if you are taking some remedies at your home, that time you have to take the water along with the sugar and pinch of salt. So that will be a good remedy for your diarrhea and for your this thing, loose motion. When a person has diarrhea and vomiting, the water must be sipped slowly by them. Light food must be taken. Babies should continue to take their mother's milk as it is good for them. It is also necessary to take some medicine. They can be homemade remedies. If the diarrhea does not stop, it is important to get the advice from the doctor, because in that case doctor will admit you in the hospital. You should be admitted, and the saline water will be given for this reason. Okay, so that's all for the chapter we have completed. And now put the second put the right boxes. Where does the water in your school come from? So it should be from the hand pump, and not hand pump, it is from the tap, but it is filled through the machines. In your school, from water, do you take a water to drink? Yes, from the tap we take. If there is no tap, matka or hand pump, then how do we get drinking water? So these all are actually not for your school, it is for the municipality school. Now the next page, 153 page, is the place around the drinking water tap or matkas cleaned regularly. So these all are not for you. So the next class we will, you write these answer, just yes or no, and then whatever the remaining question answers, 1 and 2 question I'll take from the book which is important, that we will write, and the other we will complete our activity book in my next class. Okay, and best of luck for your exam. You go through the studies and do your exam well. I know my students are actually very intelligent, they know all the things, and if they will read properly they will able to do all the answer. Okay, best of luck for all the exam, and thank you for having the class. Kindly give your presence so that I can take your attendance. Thank you.